Good morning from a very beautiful Kraalbaai. If you do not know where Kraalbaai is, don't you worry, I'm going to tell you exactly where to find this absolutely magical spot. Hi there, I'm Colin and I'm a travel content creator showing you all the epic places that I go to. At the moment, we are in Kraalbaai. It is a very, very special place. It's inside a national park, the West Coast National Park, and it's about an hour and a half away from Cape Town. But it feels like you are somewhere completely different. I could be somewhere in Greece right now. That is the feeling I have over here. And Kraalbaai is very special because you can actually stay on houseboats on the Langebaan Lagoon, which is in the West Coast National Park. This is a very popular spot for yachts to come and chill out for a couple of days, but these houseboats are here permanently and there's quite a few of them that you can actually rent and stay on. At the moment there are 5 houseboats and these houseboats can actually sleep quite a few people. The one that we are on right now can sleep 8 people, and there's one that can even sleep 17 people. So if you want to come as a family, this is the perfect place. What I love about the houseboats is because they're on this lagoon, there are so many things that you can do. Activities like paddle boarding, kayaking. There's actually a kayak right here that comes with the houseboat. You can swim, you can go to the beach. They have a dedicated boat and skipper for 24/7. So you just have to phone a number and they can pick you up. You can go to the beach, you can do beach activities, you can drive around the park. At the moment it's also flower season in the park, so you can go look at flowers or wildlife. They have wildlife here. You can drive around the park. There's just so many things to do and it's such a unique experience. So I'm going to show you around a little bit and just show you what it's like to stay on a houseboat for a couple of days. The houseboat we stayed in is called Harmony, but they have a few other ones as well that can take different amounts of guests. We previously stayed in one that sleeps 6, but this one sleeps 8. Harmony has an outside deck with a braai and seating area, as well as plenty of space to chill inside. There's a lounge and a large kitchen. It has 4 bedrooms with double beds, 2 ensuite bathrooms, and 1 standalone bathroom. All the bedrooms have plugs with USB plug points and the boat runs on solar power. Waking up here in the morning is such a treat. I just love sitting in bed with a cup of coffee watching the world go by. Talking about coffee, the kitchen is fully equipped with everything you might need, and it also has 8 of everything, including shot glasses. All you have to bring is your food and drinks. The view from each houseboat is pretty similar, but remember that the boat swings with the wind, which means a different view for different weather. The nice thing about that is that the outside area will always be away from the wind, so you can chill outside even if it's windy, which it usually is every afternoon on the West Coast. If you have a hammock, take it with. We do every time, and it's such a great place for a nap. It's so peaceful out in the water, and because it's a lagoon, the water doesn't really get so rough. One of our favorite things is sunset braais on the deck, so remember to bring some firewood. Finish off your evening stargazing and falling asleep to the sound of the gentle lapping of the water outside. Would you want to stay on one of these houseboats?